Hey people, so this particular stone is called the pearl, Stone, yeah, it's pearl. So, pearl again, we all know how a pearl is made, right? They say a foreign body gets inserted somehow, gets into the shell of an oyster, and so in order to get rid of that particular foreign body, the little oyster makes this whole elaborate, makes a pearl around it. So really, you know, in Hindi, there is this word. In fact, in Urdu, it's called sabr. Sabr as in patience. That's that's the loose translation of it in English. So when you when you wear pearl, it you develop this quality of patience, or that's what tenacity, maybe that. But no, it's sabr. It's like you know that no matter what circumstance you face in life, you'll be able to see yourself through. So this particular stone, I bought it in the ISKCON ashram in Tirupati. So I just see the very fact, even all these certain spiritual organizations, they sell these different stones, is indicative of the fact that stones come from the earth, so they have healing properties. So really, people, I can go on endlessly on this subject, but I have to stick to my 1 minute time frame. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.